bedroom apartment. This comes in 4 different varieties, all with different layouts. When you arrive, when you book a 1-bedroom apartment, then you'll have a key card that lets you in to all the communal areas as well as your flat. With the 1-bedroom apartment, the kitchen is slightly separate. With this kitchen, you get a sink, a pull-out bin, microwave oven, hob, fridge freezer, and plenty of storage. Through here, you get a spacious wardrobe, a double bed, storage under the double bed, a table, chairs, plenty of storage, 32-inch smart TV.